All right, it's day 4 of my evaluation. And I wasn't feeling it this morning, so I didn't start at 9:30 like I normally do. I just took one trade, lost 46 right here. Before I turn this on, let's make this bigger. Yeah, just what I won. Been winning, so I just wasn't feeling it because I don't know. It feels like when you've been winning for, you got a nice win streak. It feels like it's gonna fall apart always. So I don't know. Let's check the results, shall we? So that was Friday. So Friday was up $500. Monday was a holiday. I spent some time trading. It was kind of a waste, but I ended up $100. And yesterday, $1,200. And here we are today. And instead of being rip roaring ready to go, I was like, I just feel like I'm gonna lose now because I won. So instead of hitting the payment running at 9:30, I was like, not feeling it. So I didn't force it, and now I'm gonna play some minis because, like I was saying, I'm on my first evaluation with trade day, and I don't want to piss away my growth. I got to get this to 105, and if I do, I get funded. So feels like discretion is the key today. So we're gonna trade some some micros or whatever. Yeah, micros. If I get down like 400 or 500, losing $50 at a time, you know, today wasn't meant to be. Yeah, this kind of feels like a buy to me right here. Wow, went into 4s. Take 3 down here. Maybe even right up to there, just in case it comes back down to here again. I probably was a little slow. Should have had that the first time. Got some birds in the background. I'll turn that down a little bit. And if we can get some momentum, maybe we'll we'll go to our normal 1 micro. Excuse me. Yeah, I don't know if I thought about this early enough. I don't know if I had that chance and missed it, but that would be a nice one. Cancel that to start over. So I want to short up here. Maybe. It's probably not going to hurt to try to short up there. It's funny, I've been so hot the last few days. I was pretty amped up last night, and then when I was waking up this morning, I was just like, just didn't feel it. So I've been gambling long enough to know when you don't feel it, don't force it. And this is probably a little forced now, but not at 9:30. I was not ready. Just wasn't ready. So it was the first time I skipped the opening bell since I started this. It's still pretty new. I did two-week trials. I never day traded before in my life. And then I started the evaluation on Friday. And it's, what day is it? I don't even know. Wednesday? It's Wednesday. Okay. So this is day 4. Now do you want to short here again? Yeah. This comes down to here. Yeah, we're only going like $1.50.
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh shit, I was supposed to be there. Yeah. We'll have our stop loss just a little bit below that. So we're going 50 30s. So that's 50 ticks up, 30 ticks down. That's our, and we move that down a little bit. That's right about here. So 12.5 points up, 7.5 points down. Might be asking for a little much. I usually like 35.30, which is 8.75 points. Oh, seems easier to get. I don't mind that spot there, a little bit less than that. Still within this one candle away time frame. It's not like we're trying to set new highs or anything. Come on. Come on up here. Come on, all your friends are up here. Right there. No, yep. That's done. Now I should, if I believe that, I should probably back something down in here. So this was my first attempted entry that I missed. Right around here. 1493.
Stop filled.
See, that's a good lesson on entry points, right? Like I said, should have been down here. Then I would have only had to go up to here instead of all the way up to there. Now we're down $100. Yeah, once this gets like, once I lose 5 or 6 trades in a row, it's done. I got my answer. Yeah, that was porous. That was a bad spot to buy, kind of in no man's land. Best to wait for the fringes, feels like to me. So let's just watch this one. Let's look at 1 hour chart, shall we? Oh. Wow. That's last night. Oh, no, sorry. That's yesterday. Where am I? Oh, that's the 16th. Right, 1 hour chart. I just like trend lines. I don't know if, you know, I've read some stuff. I kind of know a little bit what I'm doing, but I'm not by any means a seasoned pro. But I do like to draw my lines. So, I think if we would have got there, we need to go up to like, oh, sorry, that's not the right chart anymore. Let's see. No. Yeah, sometimes when you draw charts on longer time frames, they get wrecked when you go to the shorter time frames. Kind of silly. Oh yeah, so we said if we would have bought here, 93-ish, and it had to go up to about 04, 05, yeah, so that one woulda, shoulda, coulda. Didn't. No point in crying over spilt milk today. So it's annoying when you draw that line that was perfectly touching it, and now it's, I guess it's just that little wick. Let's see this again one more time. Is it 1 hour? Yeah, I don't get it. The line's up here. 1570s. We're in the 500s. Then when I go to a minute, that same line is through like whatever. Alright, let's get these. This doesn't look right. Alright, there we go. So that's fine, because whatever we thought was wrong. This was a bad entry. Why does it say 0 when I lost? Do we want to buy down here again? I just don't like that. I like going off here.
Order filled. Order filled. Stop filled.
Obviously. That's funny. Man, am I glad I'm on 50s. Wow. Lesson learned. Better luck next time. Jeez. This wasn't really. Alright. That was kind of silly. Is this the reversal or the fake out? Go down more. It's funny, depending on the color is what I think it's going to be. So I think that makes me biased. Okay, I guess it's the back out. Now is this just a clear out before it starts going up again? Maybe. I got this little clock up here, like sometimes I like watching the candles end and start over for some reason. I used to do 30-second charts, but I don't know, it just seemed a little. Sometimes you gotta wonder how much stock you can even put into a 1-minute chart, let alone a 30-second chart. So I felt like I was valuing the candles too much when I was. Things seemed to work a little better for me when I went to 1 minute. But then when you go look at 15 minutes after, it's like, oh man, if I just had that for 15 minutes, look at the size of that candle. Alright, what's this telling us? I have no idea. Tops out. Fights back. Now it's just a good old battle between green versus red. I generally like red, so those greens are bastards, you know. Nobody likes the greens. Alright, so it's like, is this the new this? 92. Oh man, we're in the fours. Wow. That's probably a decent spot to buy right there. We didn't do it. We had a chance, we didn't do it. No, I'm doing threes. I'm on the micro. Yeah, okay. I didn't do it. I chickened out. Now, if I like red, are we in a red trend? Yeah, a little bit. Let's look at 5 minutes. Down at that number that we chickened out at again. We don't want to watch. Can't complain now. You had 2 chances and you chickened out twice, so you must be telling me something. Alright, get this line out of here. It's not even helping me at all. Just trying to I don't like cutting the tops off, but I'm gonna let that sit there. Well, we're getting we plunged below. We were 74 was that number that we talked about not taking. And I want to try and back here. Yeah, you know what? Sometimes it seems to like bumping off, 50s and 100s, big even numbers like that. This down here, it bounced off there. Wow, so we talked about, what about here? It just plummets again. If I'm looking to red all the time, why aren't I betting red? I'm waiting on a green. What are we down? Why do you say no data? Oh, let's go to that. Does that fill it in? Oh. 0 and 4. Maybe 0 and 3. That's 150 minus fees, is it? Oh, this one. We're on our account. We're open. Alright, whatever it is, what it is. I can't see all the glare in here. Alright, yeah, we missed that bottom. Let's just... There's just a certain like of my chart that I like, and it's just... Okay. That's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that it? Well, it goes to 10. Maybe that's it. No, these seem too narrow. I love this one. No. Oh, okay. Is that bearish? Maybe I just need a bigger screen. So does this line mean anything? I don't remember. Let's get some lines that mean something for the chart we're on, because I think we drew our lines on different time frames. Alright, so that is 1 minute. Damn, it's a monster. Yeah, my head's just not in the game. I'm not seeing it even. I'm not, like, where draw what? Alright, how about this? Oh yeah, but I went through that. Okay. Maybe I went through it and just couldn't hold, and that's still a valid-ish line. Touch there. Just peek through a little bit. Try to get there. Blast through and just don't maintain. I'll make up a story like that. Why not? Right? Just whoever's story works the best. And that's my story. Is it right? Who knows? I don't know. There's not in the group today. Let's open this full, shall we? Can't see that corner with the glare still. We're 0-3. Once we get to 0-5 or 0-6, it's done. Big minus day. So yesterday I tried to record, and well, I did record. I recorded the wrong screen. So I recorded a screen that I wasn't actively looking at, just a graph, and it was a good day. You saw it. I made $1,200. You know, I like to watch my tapes after. I started taping these for me, like to watch as like analysis to figure out what I'm doing and what I'm thinking. And then next thing I know, I started talking to like an imaginary audience, and then I was like, I guess I'm gonna put it on YouTube. So I should probably talk about my trades too. So. But yesterday it just had it was just in a nice channel, and I drew some lines, and it seemed to respect the lines that I drew, which was kind of nice. Felt like I was onto something. And you wanna know what? I think what I was doing was I was just drawing short like lines, like not. You don't have to be big, massive, like 2-month lines, right? You can draw something develop over 15-20 minutes. Yeah, no, I'm forcing that. Let's just save this for something we need. And when I started drawing some lines, they started making sense with you. So I'm not going to put much stock in that, but this is a big drop. It fought up. That's where it closed. It tried it again. It tried it again. It's trying it again right now. Maybe right now this is So, and then it's like, okay, well, how long is this? This is 26 to, you're talking like 12, 13 minutes. And in 12 or 13 minutes, it's had 4 tries and not gotten over this. So now I'm thinking, well, maybe this price point does matter right now. Well, we just make up our stories, right? Whoever's got the best story wins. And let's find out if we're making up a good story. What is that? 86. 86. I should just do it on here, but look, when I go on there, that thing's wrecking me. Hold on, let's go over here. 86.5. Sure. I'm gonna start using this because sometimes that was a hassle going over here, scrolling it, trying to find it. Alright. Now where's the bottom? And is this really the top? Because it was just right here. If you drew a line from these peaks, it would be above that. Yeah, this is a hard game. That's why this is a hard game, right? You could draw 15 lines right now probably to give you all different price points. You'd be like, this is the price I should be looking for. Yeah, well, there's 15 other numbers, so your number isn't special. Your line isn't special. I still got this one down here too. Now I get, where's the top? Where's my stop loss on this? I don't like this. What's my spread here? Oh, it's not even on. Give me on. What the? Who's in charge of this operation? Jeez. All right, try that again. There we go. That's better. Oh, so if we would have got it. But we had to wait and see too. I don't remember if I was thinking that when I had the chance or not. So I'm not going to count that as a miss. It's easy to trick yourself into thinking, oh, I would have had that. Well, would you have? Because I remember watching this, and then I was probably down there when I probably made the bet. So no, I didn't have a chance at that. I might here, and this is when it's going to blast through it and go up to touch this imaginary line that I drew. What the hell is this? Oh yeah, we're using that for later. Let's throw it in. Yeah, because that seems like a good idea, right? We'll just throw this line here. We're just going to make lines. Oh, come on! I was right there! Oh, we should have had that. I kissed the line. Come on. Now we'll go. Okay, we're right there. Come on. Don't be chicken. I need a ride down here. Come on. Come and get me. I'm here. Come on. Come on. Now we're waking up, shaking out those cobwebs. Let's go. Well, then it gets to the point, the longer this takes, the less I want it, because then it's just going to go boom, blast right through it. Oh, that's a little bit of a nuisance there, though. Look at that. We are touching that line right there. Boom. Oh, and it touched it here, so I can feel a little like, oh, I should have had that. Maybe if I was down like a quarter point lower, maybe that would have. I imagine it probably just didn't take my contracts because I'm still on sim, right? So, yeah, maybe it took 10 contracts there and I'm sitting there at number 15 or 20. Oh, and it would have hit for sure now. Ah, that's a nuisance. I was joking about putting this here, but somebody said that it needs to have 3 points. Now, this is, I'll count this as 1 point, and then I count this as 2, and this is like a minute later, so I don't know if I should, I'm not going to count that. But adjust it down as it builds and grows. Yeah, no, this line's just going to get me in trouble. Sometimes when I draw lines, even if I like don't mean them, and then I leave them there, then it's like, oh, I make a decision because there's a line there. I drew a line. Oh. I'm all genius with the line, so just bet the line and it'll all be fine. No, it won't. You're gonna get crushed. He says as he puts the line. Now, does this make more sense? Maybe. So at least now there's some space, right? Yeah. No. No babies. Now where's this going? We had a buy down here. We canceled it. Did we move it up to here? I'll take a buy down in here. Sure, we can move it up to here. Because we're on less value here. Man, we are like just missing this. I'm just missing that. We're 0-3 on the day. I don't like that it counts, you know, because I'm doing 3 contracts, right? So if 1 gets matched and then 2, well, they count that as 2 trades. So that happened yesterday. Like, we can watch this. Let's look at yesterday one more time. So yesterday, oh, what a glorious day yesterday was. So this is 18-5, right? But here you go. Look, 1037.33, 1037.33, 2. So that was 1 trade, but it counted as 2. So I think I got 3 or 4 of those. So I wasn't 18-5. I was more like 14-5, which is an amazing day. I'm very happy with that. But my point is why you inflated my record either way. Sometimes to the losses, sometimes to the wins, right? I'm 0-3 today, not 0-4. No, you're a little. Get this line out of here. You're not doing anything except for causing me problems. Come on. Or is this one that's going to blast through again? Oh, it feels pretty nice. Oh, we in?
Order filled. Order filled.
Okay. So is this ours? Here? Probably. Let's see. 68. Oh no, we're right there. Booba Kitty, I'm busy. Oh, it's right there. Look how close that was. Oh wait, no, sorry. That was because I bought it on this candle. That was before, so that doesn't count. Now, is that a good price? That's okay. It is 50 ticks. It's a lot, but I'm not afraid to move this bitch up a little bit. A few more dollars more. Words of death. Just give me a few dollars more. Yeah, no. Sorry, you lose. Could have had 80, instead you lose 60 or whatever your loss is right now. Now I moved it up because I kind of think, in theory, that it really wants to go back up to here. Sometimes these things get in ranges, right? And just go bounce, bounce, and bounce. Or they go like this. Alright, come on. Alright, 50 ticks is...
Order filled.
What do we got? 84. Nice. Well, because I pulled it off and I was going to drop it a little bit lower, but it was higher when I dropped it. Alright, we're grinding. That's a big one. Yeah, that's one of the bigger ones I had. Holy shit. Oh, that's like 24 ticks. That's 98 ticks. Sorry, 96. Wow. Man, Imagine if that was a real contract or 2 real contracts. Woo-wee. We'd be living the dream if that was the case. What do you need? Really? Food? Yeah? Yeah, but I'm trading right now. I gave you food yesterday. I probably even gave you the food the day before that. Alright, Boo Kitty. You can have some food this time. Only if you're good, though. Were you good? Do you deserve it? Okay. Oh, you can't have to pick up your old grunts, but they're kind of cute. Come on. And the other thing, oh come on! The other thing I was thinking too is sometimes the opening bell. Oh my god, I get slaughtered on it so bad sometimes. Oh, you're so annoying. Come on. We're gonna miss this and it's gonna go right back down. Oh. How close did that get? I thought you wanted food. You're probably wondering, who the heck am I talking to? Oh, we could have had that one again. Like, how much am I missing this by? I didn't see it, but... Okay. I did move it down a couple of ticks. I'm not sure why I'm so worried. We're at $1.50 a tick here, but... Trade like it matters. And make the same trades if you're betting $1.50 a tick or $150 a tick, so... I'm not just sliding it down to here just because I want the bet. Your food's over there. Go get it. No, I'm not playing. I'm not playing with you right now. Really? You need me to throw the ball that bad? You're too cute, Boo Kitty. Fine, we'll go throw the ball. But hold on here. Cat needs a ball thrown for a minute. Shut him up. Alright, come on. Yeah, good move to set yourself up to cost yourself thousands because you gotta go play fetch with your cat. Well, we're not at the point where it's thousands yet, but... Alright, what are we doing? 1 and... Well, technically 4, but 3. That's a double. Now this, to me, is like the risky point where it can do either. looks nice. It could have been so. Look at that. No resistance, no threats. Man. Now, if it gets here fast, look out now, I'm worried about it blasting through. It's kind of annoying. I missed that twice. I think we missed, I know we didn't miss it here. I think that was pretty close. I remember complaining about that. And then that was really close, obviously. So pretend we got that. We knew where it was going, that's why we were buying down here. Yeah, I don't like it anymore. I liked it when it was like this. But now it's like, well, then what, there or higher? Why are you so fired up now? Huh? Here. Lay here. There you go. There's a spot for you. Chill it on the table. There. Happy? Watch me trade. Maybe those birds fire you all up. Huh? Those bird sounds? Oh, we didn't cancel it. I thought I tried. Oh, we'll let it roll now. We'll let it roll. But I don't expect it to come back down here again. And I might expect... Yeah, no, you're not pulling those scissors off. Here's a pen. Let me put that on the edge of the table. Yep. Oh, yeah. Pull that off. There you go. Man, this number is... Come on! Oh, jeez. You're just a nuisance. Oh, great. Good job. I'm tempted to pull it down to here. Because it's still not going through bodies, it's touching wicks. And look, it touches more wicks if I pull it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you could even say more if you can in each one. Dang. They're really making me work for this. Yes, Boo Kitty, yes. What are you wiggling here? Oh, you have the pen. Alright. Put it back on this top ledge one more time. Just let it sit there, okay? Yeah. Oh! Poopy Kitty, I need to focus. Huh? Now remember, no, not drawing. Not drawing any lines from here to here. Don't worry. So we said down, again, it still isn't updating, right? But does it say how much in commissions? No. Oh, maybe 20, 25. So we're down 1.5 bets. Under 2 bets, more than one. Oh wait, our losses were about 50. So, yeah. Whatever. Stop loss number today is like 300-ish still, I think. Profit target. Oh, we're playing light contracts. We're not making a lot of trades. I wish I could open up my there was days I was making like 100 trades on the free trial. Hell, I made 68 trades on Friday. And I won 500. And I think I was about, oh, I don't remember. Maybe 36 and 32 or 34 and 34, but I made some money. So this like waiting thing is kind of new for me. And I kind of think if you wait, like you can be a little more greedy on profits too. I don't know. We'll figure it out. I'm still new to this game, so still trying to find my my techniques, right? There's a lot of different techniques to do. So far I like the well, if I'm normal contracts, I like doing. Oh, see, this is what I normally trade is the MNQ. So that's 35.30. That's what I like. And then I messed around some other ones. These ones, like the swings, are too much. They take you out so fast. It's only like 5 points, so or 4, 5. It's hard to be right where it doesn't go up 5 points on you. So I didn't like that. And this felt like a little too long to get sometimes, and then you can see I was just twiddling with them. And this one I barely played, so that's why I don't have as many saves, because I don't normally play this one, but today felt like the day for that. When you're up and doing well, that's the time to, for me, is to like dial it back and be, I don't know, like, don't go pissing away your profits because you had 2 good days. Oh, I'm gonna step up to the plate, hit home runs every day. Like, no, days are gonna turn. So yeah, I did win on Monday just a little bit, but so that's 3 winning days in a row. I'm new at this, and I didn't. When I was waking up today, I was like, I just wasn't feeling it. But I still want to grind. I still want to play. So that's why I was like, I'll just play micros today. That's the answer. So we're still sitting on this. And one of these times, because we missed these 2, and this one didn't get to it, and then this one is supposed to be like, oh, and
order filled.
Alright, what are you gonna do now? Oh, it wants to fight. Oh, I hate you. I hate you. Oh. Oh. Now, if this was like 1 contract or 2 contracts in the regular one, and I was down to here and I saw like $80 and I had my feelings that I have right now, I'd be like, just give me the $80. But we're gonna let this ride. Let's put this stop loss just into these candles a little bit. What's that? It's only 57. We can afford that. And what are we trying to get? 75. Yep, that seems fine. Oh, come on. Come on down here. Come on down. Now, the one thing I was doing on Friday, which is on YouTube, was, oh my god, sawing my bets in half to no end. Like, oh, I'm up 80. Just give me that money. Oh, I'm up 60. I don't even care. Just give it to me. And then I was watching some YouTubers, and it's tough figuring out who to trust and who not to. But there's one guy I tend to like. What was his name? Hold on, let's see here. Tom something or other. Tom Hugard. He seems to be a good voice in this space. And I like I'm in Trading, by the way. I'm in Trading got me into trading futures. Shout out to him. Without Iman, I might not have been trading futures because it wasn't even on my radar. Probably would have been trading stocks. So, Hugard was talking about, just dealing with the pain. And it's easy to cash in on a bet that's winning because it eases the pain of...
Order filled.
There we go. Man, these are big lines. I'm normally 35, so these are like almost 50% longer. Man, I gotta start doing this on the one contract. So yeah, so the point I was making was, if you make a bet, write it out. Like if it's close, but selling it 42 seconds in because you don't want to deal with the angst of waiting for it to get there. Long term, man, I knew this inherently too. It's just not the right solution because you're like, oh, I'll take 80, but I'm losing 150. Well, you got to win double, 2x the amount of bets that you lose. So it's like delicate balance between win ratio, you're actually winning percent, and then how much you're winning versus losing. And those things got to line up. And if they don't, well, good luck to you. It's not going to work. So these are long though. I don't know. Like I said, I'm only 35. These 50s are big. Oh man, I get used to seeing those. Yeah, that was probably a good buy point right there. That's how it's down here. Does he go to 4? Well, 50 cents, sure. Alright. So, we are 2 and 3. This was a double. We're not counting this if you missed that part. One trade split into 2 trades because they're multiple contracts. And we're up $9 being 2 and 3. Minus fees. I guess this is how it goes. Like, there's times where I can make a trade a minute. Today's not the day for that. But there are days when I feel that, and I'll just I'm just dinking, dunking, and I wasn't all terrible like those days. Let's go up in here. We're a little bit higher than the line this time. A little bit higher than last time.
Order filled.
Alright, you gonna come back down? Oh, this one's getting away from us. I'll slide that all up into these bodies a little bit again. Oh, right, we doubled our contracts. 74 now. Or not double, we added one. Well, have to get through eventually. I'm just gonna go outside of those. Look at all those 30s. Those are big. Oh, a lot of 30s. Oh, this is the micro. Never mind. Yeah, they seem bigger.
Stop filled.
Does this line matter? Probably not. Ah, that's fine. So this line held for like some trades, right? It wasn't the worst. How about this? Now let's go set up a buy around that line. I can come back down here, touch it, and go up now. So that's my analysis of it. What's the line again? 86. We'll go 86 and a half. We'll buy 4. So this is probably like, alright, so it goes like this, right? And then it breaks up. And now what? Now it's here. It's gonna go up to here, find a number, and then like, and then do what it does? Probably. Where's that number? Well, it could be up here. What's this range? 55 to 85. So it's like 30 points. Bing, bing. Then it kind of narrows. Breaks through. 85. So this could go up to like here-ish. That'd be a 30 point thing. Yeah, anywhere between here and here kind of would make sense. Off this. Oh, that one. Yeah. Oh, look at that. That's 15 right there. Sure. I'll short one at 15. I don't know, do people do this? Have like a buy down here and a sell up here and just wait to see which one gets filled first? I've done it a few times, but not regularly. Part of me thinks this could be the top right here. I'm thinking like, look at this. So this candle broke the line. That, like 12 points. So I'll flip that candle upside down, add another 12, and that puts it in around here. That's just my own. I'm just making that up. Nobody taught me that. Probably why nobody does it, because I just made it up. Yeah, I just like to make up my own rules. I'm gonna go make some new candles. Everyone knows hammers and dojis and all that stuff, but I'm just gonna be like, yeah, well, I call this one a blah blah blah. Yeah, I don't think it works that way. Cappuccino time. Booba Kitty. You don't drink cappuccinos. And then, because we're kind of on lows. I'm used to losing like 1 to 150 a trade, so we can move that up to outside that. That's a nice thing about the micro is you can move your stop losses past points without having to worry about losing hundreds and hundreds of dollars. Oh, that's 11. That was the number I said when I did this one. 12 and then 12. That put that about 11. So if this flies back down to here, I'm going to be like, come on, I would have had that one. Oh no, I would have been 4 points lower. I would have been down here. Should I move this down? Yep, then I got to move that back up too. Yeah. Hold on here. Just turn green again. I'll feel good about it. If it stays red, then I'll be like, it's going down, it's going down, it's red. First time, 40 seconds. I got too many of these up. I got 2 of these. Oh, one's MN. Oh, that's an MN too. Where's another one? Who's in charge of this operation? Come on, just go up there. Kiss that line. Kiss it. Come on. Come on. We're just right here. Yeah, come inside that. 60. So when you're on the main one, 60 contracts is monstrous. It's like a rarity almost. Oh, come in. Slide up.
Order filled.
Okay. Now what? Now, well, if you get down here fast enough, like by the end of this candlestick, come on, get in. Get inside of here. Duck inside. Get inside quick. Okay. Okay, keep pushing. Now this could be a big one. Oh, we're on 100. All right, because we added. Hundreds matter. Yeah, that's like halfway. That's not greedy. What's 4, 12, 12 and a half. This is like 30. So we could come down like a couple points, but why risk it? That's 50 ticks. $100. And now it might come down to here, but sometimes it only comes down halfway, like here too, right? So let's not get greedy. Let's hold out for this 100. We're not going to get impatient and sell out for 50. And we're gonna keep this. And I'm gonna go make a cappuccino, so I'll be back in 5. Oh, come on. Get down there. Get moving. Ooh, come on. Don't do me like this. I want to move this so bad right now. It's just $20. What? What's it?
Order filled.
Yeah.
Order filled.
Oh, we went flying through. Man, every time I see this, like, it's so long. I'm gonna keep that. Yeah, we'll keep that. Now, ideally, I want it to take a couple minutes to get here because, it doesn't really matter what I want. We're gonna leave it. All right, we're getting up there. Today'd be a good day to quell the angst I have in this game. Grind up some profit. Get this to $400 somehow. And the cat stole my chair when I was standing. Yeah, pretty funny what you did. Making a cappuccino, I'll be back. Alright, what happened? Nothing. Cappuccino made. Alright, good standing. Well, I should probably shut this down and open it again, and I bet that would be accurate. Alright. Now this is the power of winning more than you're losing. Is 3 and 1 was a double. I said a million times. So 3 and 6, and we're down $5. Nothing wrong with that. I guess that's what happens when you ride out 50 ticks. This is probably boring though. Well, I gotta learn for myself, so you guys can all suck it. I'm just watching this, but whatever. I don't know if this line meant anything, but it did touch it like it was probably supposed to. I like touching lines. Now, alright, so broke out, makes a high, comes down, lower high. Yeah, I'm not gonna worry about this thing. I'm gonna set something, let's move it down to here where I'm already waiting. So, well, this is still done fighting, so it could still blast up here, make a higher high, lower low. It's just such short time frames. I still don't know how much validity to put in it. Oh, we should probably try and short up here though. Why not, right? That's what we did here. We sold 15. We'll sell 15 again. Like if we would have got this, I think this is one we tried to. These ones we missed. And then we caught it here. But if we caught one here, caught one there, caught one there, you caught it 3, you're 3 and 1 before it breaks out. So same idea here, right? We catch this one here. Try it again. Oh, but see, this one was easy, right? This was like, here's the top, here's the bottom. This one's gonna be, here's the top, here's the bottom. Here's the top, here's the bottom. Here's the top, here's the bottom. And then it'll figure out what to do. At least that's my story and I'm sticking to it. So let's see if that's what happens. Yeah, I got an aquarium filter in the back. I tried to like jimmy it with another thing to make it sound lower, but that's just as loud as it's gonna be. Can't turn that one down. I'm gonna unplug a different one, see if that cuts down some of the sounds here. Or not, but yeah, this way of trading does feel a little bit different for me. This is the lowest amount of trades I've probably you know, practicing is different, right? In practicing, you're going to be firing trades every freaking second, and I did. I would have made 10 trades in 15 minutes, 10 sometimes. Thursdays I made like 100, 150, 200 trades. Even on day one of this. Here's day one. $68 trades. And that was mostly one contract at a time. So that's a pretty accurate number there. Look at the fees, 362. Wow. 36 and 32. Oh no, maybe I did some doubles. That's contracts. I don't know how this works, but whatever. Moral of the story is, I made 68 trades, and that was a little bit over 2 hours, maybe. So to be sitting here for an hour could be, well, technically that was a double. 9 trades in. Oh, came close. Now I might be greedy on that. That might be too low. Booba Kitty, no, I'm not playing with you right now. We might have missed. Well, look at that. Sometimes I like this. Like, look at this. The tops of those. It just slides right in. Bang, bang, and then bang. So we can complain, but we won't. But we shouldn't. Maybe if I had that perfect. Well, how would I know, right? I just had it down in here, so after the fact, these say, "Oh, I should have had it right there." I should. No, you didn't know, and you just pulled it down here for safety. And realistically, you're off 3 points because you know, that's just the way it goes. So. No, I'm not playing with you right now. No.
Order filled.
Oh, we're in. Alright, what are you doing now? Come on, do it. Yeah, there's nothing in here. There's no point moving this down. See, I moved it down because last time it made sense to get over something, right? This time, nah. If it comes down here, it comes down to there. There's no difference between here, here, and here. To me, if it's going down, it's taking us out. So, now if it goes up, what do we say? Oh, lower lows. Yeah, so we're not being. Where are we at? We are the 100. 01. So we're this one right here. Yeah, that's not unreasonable expectations. Right? No. So plus 100, minus 75 on the low end. Oh, minus 60. Not even minus 75. I'll get used to this. And it's no stress. Like trading these micros is. Look at that. Yeah, you go up, take that out. Give me that $100. Come on. You got time to fight this battle. That's a good candle, eh? Oh, come on. Don't give up. You had it going. Don't quit on yourself. Oh, that's not a good sign. Just out of curiosity. Was that 98? 98. No, 72. You're nuts. But we're not pushing the button early. 76 versus 100. That's good. You fight. There you go. There you go. Boom. Come on up here. Hey, you've got some friends up here you want to come and pick up before you go back down there. I could probably cancel that. Because that would be here now. If our theory works. That's our line. Look at that. Oh, yeah, that's perfect. Tops of wicks, or sorry, tops of candles, tops of wicks, tops of wicks, Tops of candles. Tops of candles. Kisses on the way down. Oh yeah, that's nice. I feel good about this one. I think it's gonna get there. Not enough to buy another one, but oh, come on. Hold, hold. Repel! Repel! Get out of here! Get out! It's funny, you think the cat would think I'm talking to him, but I don't talk to my cat like that, so he wouldn't even recognize that as me talking to him. Nah. You wanna know what I am worried about? One of those little sweep outs where just like plunges. Oh, there it is.
Stop filled.
And then goes up. I'll buy this.
Order filled. Order filled.
I'm not getting faked out. These things, then look, it goes back up, and then next thing you know, it's freaking top of there. Top of there. I was trying to move it down. I didn't get it fast enough. We've all seen it, right? Those like plunges that, just to take everything out before they go riding up. And that's not really a plunge. It's not like a huge, sometimes they're like, poof, like 20 points deep, just like clearing everybody out, and then see ya, taking the money and run. Did we move this up? We did. 20 bucks. So minus 60. And if this wins, it's double. That's a 120. And you're 1 and 1, and you're up 60 bucks. Or you lose it and you're down. I think we moved it down too, didn't we? Nope. Kept it the same. Alright. Let's go. Now, is this the one where you like pull this up and pull that up? Come on. Don't do me like you did this one. I think we missed this one by a couple points. We did. Because we lost. Because we had it here. And it went up to there and we didn't get it. And then we ended up losing. Now this could happen again. Then I'll be a little annoyed. So let's not get greedy. That's our original. Our original 50 ticks right here. Come on, you're teasing me like this. See, this is why I like to go 35 ticks on my normal one. Because 50 ticks is a lot. How long that is. Come on, 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 come on. I knew I wasn't going to do it. But
order filled.
There we go. We'll be at 90. That's fine. There's too many ticks. It's still long AF. Alright, we're grinding. Now what? Go short? That seems forced. Oh, this is nice. Oh, V? It's just like, boo, 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 boo. That'd be fun. I'd like to see this at 102. 102 feels like a win at this point. We could add our points, but not gonna cry about 10 bucks. Oh, look at that. Now what? Lower lows, like we were saying, lower lows. I kind of wish I had that right now. Yeah, you want to know what? Fuck around with that. Maybe even a little bit lower here. Alright, let's draw. Where's my line? Here we go. Here's one. Alright. Yeah, I like to draw it at the top of the wicks first, and then as I need to, I'll adjust it down, and then I hear rumor of you don't want to go through the bodies. Yeah, that kind of makes sense to me, so I'll follow it. So here we go, we got one touch. Some minutes go by, a second, sure, yeah. Oh, a little collapse, a little more time. Sure, why not? I'll buy this one. So if I'm buying it, I think it's gonna get over here. Let's sell some. Is that? Oh, right. Yeah, no. Okay. Still doesn't feel right. Feels like I'm a little too low. Right. I don't know, that's 95. Yeah, okay. And it's over here. It's gotta come down to 93. It depends where you are in the time frame. Pretty sure this is like rudimentary amateur stuff that I'm working through here, but I'm still new at this, so give me a break. Don't laugh at me. Don't mock me. I'm still new. Yeah, so how much time we got? 7 seconds. So then the next, now it's like, well, I should probably move it down a couple points because that line's moved a couple points down, right? So let's pull it down here. 93. 93 and a half. Yep. And then if it's here, well, now I gotta go down to 92 if it doesn't get here this minute. Extend this out. Check some emails here. Are we still trying to buy down there? I guess. I'm not as convinced as I was before. Oh, right. This was this. No. Why am I buying here? Where am I trying to buy? Oh. Here. 76. I don't know why I got that. I'm going to trust it had a good enough reason, though. Maybe it was touching these, I have no idea. Is there a line there? Oh, okay, no, it was this line. And then we said it was going lower lows. And yeah, it's not terrible. Look how close it was. Why didn't you get, oh man, touching these lines. How many touches? Man, we were right there. We let it go. Like, that's touching my line, right? Yeah, I guess there's enough contracts. It's got to get through them all. But that's annoying. Alright, what's this number now? No, it's still at 93. 30 seconds. We're going to come down to 92. Man. 75. Yeah, we're 12.5 ticks, so that would have been a winner. Man, I hate that. It's funny, we watch it, we're like, are we going to keep this? What's this line from? I've got no idea, but I left it. And now it's going to come through, take it out, and turn it into a loss. See, the thing about this loss is I'd rather be below these wicks. So we're going to pull it down to a couple points. Give it a little extra leeway. Just a little breathing room. Alright. We're leaving it now. Come on. I don't know if I want it this time though. But if it goes away, I can bitch. Because I'm still here. And I'll say, why didn't I just move it up? I was only half a point away. Fine, move it up half a point. Well, now you would have that one for sure, because you can see a little green coming through your line now. Man, like this can't be this intricate. Give me a break. 17,000. How can a point or two matter? Oh, you come down, touch me, and then take me out for a good measure. This is getting to border on the absurd. Like, what is that? Right, what am I looking at? Right here. We are 77.4. So call it 77 and a quarter. That is right here. And I'm here. I know what's going to happen, and I'm not going to stop it, is when it hits this, it's going to blast right through, and it's going to go to either just above this line, or take me out. Fast. That's my prediction. Oh, what's this now? This is down to like 90. They're trading in tight windows. Hanging out at 93.5. Alright. That's small contracts. Let's just play this out and see if we can. So the more. It's funny because when it's like, it's going to go back to the line. It's going to go back to the line. But now it feels like as this gets narrower and this point converges with this point, it's more likely that when it gets to one of these lines, it's going through it now to me. Like, you missed the playing in the middle part. Now it's time to find a new place to go play, and it's getting tired of this sandbox. But we'll ride them out because it's only going to cost us $60 and pretend money to learn. And it's not going to hurt our valuation. We're not going to reach any limits. We'll be fine. And then I'll be proved right.
Order
Why
filled.
didn't I just listen to myself? Alright, prove me wrong. Come on. Now, where's my 100? It might be too high. Okay, it's below. Oh, could you imagine that? Come up here, take my 100. What is... Oh, this one's on 3s and this one's on 4s. Fair enough. Alright, so come up here, take my 100, go up a little harder, then take my short, right back down to where you were. Let's see that. Oh, now that would be a thing of beauty. And that would go against everything I said before about it busting through the lines, but I don't want it to bust through the lines. I made these bets because that's what my bet was before, just because it's, I don't know. Am I supposed to change my bet? Probably, after you see new data? I guess you are. So now it's win-win, right? If I get proved wrong, well, then I should have won. And if I win, well, then I'm a genius. Win-win. Buck a win no matter what happens. Come on. Oh, yeah, come on. So I don't... How much time left? 30 seconds. We're like right on that line almost. Come on. Not getting greedy for like $2. Oh, now come up here. Now come up here and take me back down with you. I'll pull that one down a little bit. Come on. We'll slide this one. Come on. That's the line. Oh, I pulled that. Come on. Oh, you're...
Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah, we got a little bit outside the line. We're going to move this up. What's that lost now? Oh, that's fine. That's fine. Keeps us out of that harm's way. And then we're going to pull this up a little bit because we don't want to be... We don't want to screw with it, right? Maybe it busts through here, but we won almost 100. And we're going to lose 70, so it'll be 1-1 and up like $30. We're playing small stakes, so that's kind of reasonable for our stakes. You know, if we have full contracts, it'd be more. And like I was saying, it's going to bust through the line, so. But just because it busts through that line doesn't mean it has to go over this. We were thinking lower lows, so that's over. But maybe now this comes into play. I don't know. Let's hope it does, because you know what? I'll even put this a little higher because I don't know. It's only like $70. So we'll draw a little line right to there. Do not cross this line. Hey, talking to you, green. Get the fuck out of here. Nobody wants you. Yeah, get out. Get out of here. Get out of here. Yep. Get away. Seems to be working so far. Yep, come on. Slowly. Let's get our little hand out, yell at it. Hold. Oh, turn red. Power red. Come on. Nope. No, 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 no. No. Yeah. There you go. Now the problem is this feels way too low now. Oh, there we go. We repelled it. Now this feels to me that moving this up long term would be a winning play. Because you were so... Now, I still might lose this. But when you're that close to losing and you move your stop loss out, you know, if this was real, you know, 15, 25%. I moved my stop loss out 25% more than I would have normally.
So if it was 100 or 200, that'd be 125 or 250 or whatever it was. And coming all the way back down here, that doesn't seem as like given. You're still fighting. Hey, yeah, let's go, Red. Team Red. Get on top of those greens. The greens are like snot-nosed booger brains. I can't stand them. Get out of here. There we go. There we go. Come on. Now, where is the new... Like, yeah, that's reasonable. Man, this is getting tough. I gotta get back on this guy. Get out of here! Nobody likes you! No! No! I'm trying to pull it down. I lost my hand. This, like that. No! I can't stop. I can't hold it anymore. You're a bitch. Get away! Get out of here! Nobody wants you! It almost feels like, you know what the answer is? The answer is even. If I could get 0 on this, I would be happy. I'm moving this up. $3 or $5 or whatever it is. Oh, this, I gotta get on this guy. Jimon! No. Better luck.
Stop field.
Better luck. Oh, look how long that is on red. Oh, it's like 13 points. But it's a long 13 points. Gross. We tried. We fought that bitch off, like, with this old hand. Pretty strong, but I don't have enough power. That just feels so big to me. It's only 13, but normally my lines are like 7 on losses, so that's almost double. Yeah, I guess realistically I could have. Well, next thing you know, you're moving all the way up to here. Now you're going to lose $200 on the freaking micro. This is starting to bug me. 14 times 5. We're probably at $70 in fees, so we're probably essentially even at this point. What now? What now? So it's in like new territory now. This little thing, which was, well, we won this, we lost that, we won this, we won this. So this was a good little 3-1. Now we're in this new thing and we're 0-1 and we're down $80. Oh, that's 19. How did I lose 19? Oh, whatever, it is what it is. Buy 1, sell 4. That math is wrong, but whatever. Buy 4, sell 4. Buy 4, buy 4. Hey, we're lucky that was 3, because this was 3 and this is 4, so it just depends which one we go off. Well, good thing we didn't move it up, because we would have eaten everything. So we just taken our $60 lump and moved on. Instead, we turned into 80, which is 30% more. 20 doesn't matter, but 30% does. And if we would have moved it up to here, well, we would have lost that too. Now, is this the new? Well, I don't know much about, what is it? Supply, what is it? Supply zones or something? I watched the videos on. I don't know much about supply zones, but is it like the last like there. I think it's like the last bearish candle or something. I don't know. But so here's the zone, and it gets cleared out, and it touches it, and it gets repelled, and it. Well, maybe. Do we like it enough to go short? Maybe. Are we going to? Not at 6. How about up here? At 10? Sure, why not? Fuck it. I think if you say, sure, why not, fuck it, it's probably not the best bet to make in the futures market. We're going to find out. We're going to find out. Pull that down to the top of that.
Order filled.
And we're going to take this just outside of this. I don't know if this is anything that's reality based or I'm just making this shit up, but we're rolling with it. Oh yeah, we're just outside the box. Minus 61, nothing wrong with that. Down here, now that feels a little far now because of the tops of that line, so let's draw it at that line, which is only 54. But I think I learned 10 minutes ago about if the data changes, then you should change your bet accordingly. Now, oh, hold on. This line was... Now, this line didn't mean anything until it got to there. So, 17 even seems like a reasonable number. And we'll go up to 01, just in case it doesn't want to touch the 0. So, we're still only 58.50. And our loss is 61. So, technically, we got to win this like 51% of the time. And it's, I essentially just made it up off something I thought that I kind of half listened to. Yeah, I heard this guy kind of talk on YouTube, and it was like, yeah, that kind of makes sense. What did he say? Okay, yeah, I'm just going to draw this and make this up and build a story off it. That definitely a recipe for long-term success. But also, you know, in my own defense, I do kind of, you know, here's some tops here, some tops there. So, we're at tops. And we're drawing the line off these tops here, that if we thought that this was acting as resistance kind of for, you know, 20 minutes. This was a resistance spot. And then it broke out, and it broke out of this too. So like a double breakout kind of. Right, it broke off this line. Then it broke through that resistance. Well, coming back down to here, that doesn't, not even there. Here, that kind of seems reasonable to me. For an easy 58.50. Oh, there you go. You're pushing. Yeah, man. $2. So I don't like it. This number kind of scares me. The even 50.
Order filled.
Easy money. Easy money. All right. So my magical box seemed to do something. And realistically, if the box wasn't there, putting it outside of this peak's not a bad idea. And this buy spot's not a bad idea, so. I'm not going to trust it. Well, maybe I trust it again. Why not? There's peaks. We're grinding.
Order filled.
This old resistance is now support, so I'm going to trust it. and you might as well go up and touch that box. Now, was that made in haste? Maybe. Oh, and we're on 4s too. Ah! Yeah, that was probably... Realistically, what are we talking about? We're talking... Well, I don't know. It's only... I don't know if that was a good bet. It's going to lose. If it loses, I don't know if that was a good bet or not. I tend to think it was probably not the greatest... Not my greatest work. Get outside that big chunk just in case it helps. Hold on, we should probably figure out what's our top here. 82. Yeah, that seems like a reasonable place to get to. And ideally, we don't want to lose more than 82. No, we're not. All right. Now, if this gets up into like the halfway point, I'd probably pull this up to like minus 30 or something. You know, this can turn to green. Get fighting. Get up to like 1504. I wonder if, you know, 17,500 kind of seems like a key number. You know, 600s, 500s, 50s to a lesser extent seem kind of key. And this was probably a weak indicator at best. We're just looking to make a bet. Oh, there we go. Now, hit the
Stop field.
This one? I'll try again. That would make more sense. Like, remember we were talking about like 30-point windows? Well, why am I thinking this is going to trade in a fucking 10-point window? That was a terrible bet. It's not going down 10 and then back up again. Give me a fucking break.
Order filled. Order filled.
So this is 10. Alright, so now we're 25. Yeah, that's probably not the best either. Let's pull this down below those spikes. And let's ride this one up. Oh, we're go. What was this line all about anyways? Alright, all these touches. Goes through here. Bodies, bodies.
Stop field. Stop field.
That's what you get, right? Wow. We had this, just for the record. Imagine, then we went to double losses. Imagine if we're just like, I'm gonna pull this down to, what did we take there? 55. Oh, that was that one. Not even a fully. Oh, that's terrible. Oh, that's minus 80, minus 155. So put that on. Be plus 130. And drag this to there. That's always just another way to think about what you could have done better when this all went down, right? So first off, only expecting it to go down 10. Well, 10's a normal win for me, but it's not going to trade in 10-point windows at this time of day. So that was a mistake. That one, bad bet. Mistake. I shouldn't have done that one. I can forgive myself for this one. Oh, man. Let's check out the 15-minuters just to see. yeah, now we're... Yeah, that's a pretty low point there, 14. Don't stop it. Just in case it comes back down to there. 1450. I'm pretty sure that's the lowest point in probably a couple of weeks. Let's check. Oh, nice. Oh yeah, that's February 1st. And that's... Oh, funny when you look at it like this. Go with the 5 minute. Well, that's a pretty rotten 10 minutes right there for everything. But I love red, so I should have loved it. I screwed it up. Oops. Hey, what the heck's going on here? There we go. So we put this on after we saw that, so we can't complain about missing that one yet. And yeah, let's go. Now this is the one after a big, huge. This is what? Not even 10 minutes, like 7, 8 minutes. Monstrous decline. 15, 10, down 60 points. And if we get this, like, I gotta think it comes up to at least there. Alright? What are we sitting on? Yeah, we was up to 52. Yeah, 52 and a half. Now we saw this, and then this was forming. Maybe we should have been on this a little proactively. Because I really think this is 100% reasonable. That's just one bad candle and not even half of the bad next one. Come on. Yeah, man.
Order filled.
Oh, don't. And here's the... Why am I getting in front of buzzsaws? This is a buzzsaw. It's down 60 points.
Stop filled.
What do we say? Minus 200 or 300 today? Minus 84 because I'm on... Fours there. Wow. Well, can't be
Order filled.
That was probably a little, what's the word? Loose? And let's just like put this way down here. This is what we should have done up here. Waited for the, maybe not here, but somewhere in here. One of these ones that we were going long on. Maybe this one. Well, that was one I was going to forgive myself. Regardless. Put it down there. Then when it starts following, trail this back down with it. You're going to miss it. Yeah, here's the reversal. I don't think I moved that one. I think that's an 84. Oh, 74. I did move it up because of these sticks. This this one where you gotta, sometimes it's just like accordion, take this out and then drop like this. And then it fights, boom. Come on, come down to freaking here, quick. I'll pull this down. We'll be just like chasing the profit. Wow, we lost a lot of bets in a row, didn't we? I'm gonna turn this thing off and start over. Do I do it now so I can come back and see where I'm at? Yeah, we will. Let's open another one. There we go. Shut that. Launch you. Make it bigger. Log in. Hopefully we see still see some numbers alive over here. Loading. I think we lost. Oh, we're still alive. And this is, oh shit. Oh, 83 bucks in fees, eh? Get you over here. So 300 was our stop loss today. That makes it pretty close. There we go. So the one thing I don't want to move it inside of here because that doesn't give you enough leeway, right? Yeah, this map's jacked up. What was 37 worth? Yeah, not enough to worry about missing. I'm just gonna put this up a little higher again. 70 something is our natural loss on this. 74, I think. That'd be what this is set up for. I want to see this down in the here range. Obviously. Because we're waiting for there. What would that be? Ooh, 300 bucks. Woo-wee. We'll never wait that long, but it's fun to plan for it. Maybe I should go make another cappuccino. We are grinding. Oh, come on. Get away. The annoying part is, yeah, I like betting red. We missed all this. We screwed it all up. Had the wrong side. Chased it wrong. Like, lost. 1, 2, 3. Lost 3 in a row. This is gonna take us over here. Yeah, 3 out of 4. Next lead was only 157. Like I said, I wasn't feeling it today anyways, so positives. Yeah, we were up a little bit at one point. grinding on small contracts. Start slow. It's just kind of been a. Wow, look at that, 6 and 12. So, what do you expect going 6 and 12? This was the one that can really make things nice. Yeah, I'm not gonna. I kind of feel like in here, like it hasn't been this low. This is like 2 or 3 weeks, whatever it was. It seems to me that there would be air in here, not a lot of support. Just well, I don't know how that works, to be honest with you. So why are, oh, because we bought here. So look at all this down. We bought, oh right, we went long here, and then we went short below that. You could have gone short here. Instead you went short there. 42. That was a bad buy-in. That's a bad entry. Especially after losing and selling at 42 and then just buying it back. Like you could have let it, let it fight a little bit, wait a minute. Goes back up to 50 right here. Like if you're really committed, do it then. And this is 12.5 points for whatever, 75, 80 bucks. And 50. Well, I'll still that candle out because say that happened first. This is, oh, I was really close to a win. Not a win yet, but it would have been close here at 50. You probably would have pulled this down here too, so. Yeah, it's easy to play all these games with yourself. Oh, I was gonna do this, and I was gonna do that. Yeah, well, you didn't. And you lost 82 bucks, so shut up. That's reality. If you woulda, shoulda, didda, you shoulda and did, not woulda, coulda. If this takes me out, I might only have one more bet in me, and then we'll just have to. One more losing bet. I did say 300-ish was a losing number today.
Stop field. Stop field.
Fuck you. $275. Yeah. We'll push it one more. See if we can get back here.
Order filled. Order filled.
That's enough out of you, Green. Get the fuck out of here. Tired of you. Come on. 75. Oh, what happened to our 4s? Oh, because we turned it off and started over. So let's just reset. What about 5s? And just do our good old fashioned. Let's see how this one goes. Man. We need a win here. We got at a good point, right? Yeah, that's us. 58. Trying to get to 46. Come on. Just come down here. We need a win. I don't want to go home right now. I'm not ready to go home. This thing's all jacked up, eh? Oh.
Order filled.
There we go. Alright, we're on 5s now. Let's see if we can put together a streak here. Oh, man. I never should have closed this thing. I had the perfect graph. It's just, I don't know what it is. I don't know why I can't find the way I like it. Let's get this down. Need all the space we can get. Need these on 5s, but not. See the problem? Look at, watch. There's 1 5s. Roll 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 different settings inside the 5s, and then this part. I should just figure out how wide I like these things. Maybe that's it. A little bit narrower. Maybe like the size of the cursor. All right, we're down $200 ish. 205. We are in the middle of a grind, to say the least. Now, seems to have settled down in here a little bit. No. Look at that, eh? 97, 37 points, all around 3 minutes. Who's in charge of this operation? Fire him! Yeah, that's what I look like. Same idea, but... So we lost on that one. Because we were fine. She was like, hey, it's been red, let's get on it. Yeah, you missed it. And you lost this one too. What a disaster. This was a disaster. This is... I've been looking at things, you know, last night. I'm like, I gotta start figuring out how to capture this. When am I gonna capture one? How am I gonna do it? And here was an opportunity, and not only did I not capture it, I like fumbled the ball 3 times, lost. So we'll count that as a 55. Great. Lose 80, lose 75. So that's minus 100, minus 180, minus 260 on small contracts. From like this to me is easy. I love red, so this should be my thing. I should be able to do well on these. If my natural incline is to take red, and here's the beautiful freaking thing. Is that? Oh, we had that box. The box disappeared. Remember, it came up, touched the box, and then it's like, oh, okay, I don't think it's gonna go down much more. What? What do you mean? You think it's gonna go back up after 10 points? No, it's gonna come out of here. And then you go long here? I get this one. I still don't understand this one. Alright, enough crying over spilt milk. Time to move on. Now, we bumped it up to 5. Let's make a new one. $35, $30. And change that to 35. Oh. There we go. That's the natural one I make on the full. So this was halves. So that'll be about 87.50. That'll be 75. Now we're starting to do the same thing we did over here, which is just kind of bouncing a range. So you missed a lot of it. Well, you cut that. Now what? Let's get our trusty line maker here. Don't seem to be worth shit. I'll go off the tops of those candles there. I kind of like that one. I don't know why, but I'm the one making the rules, so don't laugh at me. I'm new. I can do whatever I want until I get pummeled for it and learn a lesson. Don't trust lines that nobody else draws that only you make because you think you know what you're doing. That'll be my lesson. So I'm kind of smart enough to like, maybe I should just learn it now, but I still want to learn it. All right, here we go. Look, up to here, down to here. Why not? Down to here. It might peak below. Oh, look at that. That's not, well, I say this every time, but right here. Oh, what am I trying to draw? Right here. So this is only 2 minutes. And yes, this one closed, but it broke through. And this, and this, and that, and that, and that, and that, and that. So if I'm thinking this is a support or resistance line and it's trading up and down below it, it's probably not really worth shit. Now if I put it there, maybe. And what am I looking? I'm looking at 15 minutes a time. So again, not want to make crazy judgments off 15 minutes. So let's put that over here for now. Going long? Fuck yeah, I am.
Order filled.
I've got a line here, bro. Of course I am. That's only got to go up to here. That's reasonable. Yeah, it's got to go down to there. That's reasonable too. Even if I pulled that to there and lost, I'm done. We lose this. No, we still might have one more. Hold on, let's check. 97. Yeah, that would be down 300. I'd push one small one. I'd lower the contracts, go one. And I kind of want to be just tail right at that peak there. Red, I drew a fucking line. Oh, wait, watch. What about that one? No. Yeah, that works too. What did you buy there? Well, I had a line. Yeah, you got no idea what you're doing. You really don't have any idea what you're doing. You might just know enough to get yourself in trouble, or think you know enough to get yourself in trouble. But that's, I don't know, 1, a few minutes later, 2, a few minutes later, 3, a few minutes later, 4, bounce up to here, down unreasonable, take home $75. I'd like to see it happen. Then I can say how much of a genius I am for drawing this line here. Prove me right! And if it goes down, I can say, well, you're an idiot. You don't know what you're doing. I like to cover both sides. If this was like a reality show, this trade is like my future right here. Everything that I'm ever going to build is built on this trade, whether he's proved to be a genius or an idiot.
Order filled.
Oh my God! And he passes the test. And we could have wrote it up to there, but we did pull that one down because that's what we did. Did something change here? I have no idea. Alright, so now do we short up here? We love red. Can't hurt. Well, it can if it goes through and we lose. But we got 2 bets to lose now. What are we down? 150? 138. These fees are adding up. I'd like to finish 50-50 at least. If we can finish 50-50, we'll be doing alright, I think. This is a good grinding day, though. Like I said, I wasn't feeling it today. So we come to work, we grind on smaller contracts, maybe we'll learn a thing or two. We're not hurting ourselves too much in relation to getting up to where I need to go, which is 105. Before I lose $3,000. Oh, that's my max trail down today. Oh, that's nice. Yeah, we keep that nice and low today. And then we come back tomorrow. Hopefully we're feeling with some vigor in our step. Now it's not like, okay, here we go. 13. 20 minutes. 20 candles. If it comes down here every like 3 minutes and touches it 5 times, is that relevant? Am I drawing something that matters here, or am I just, like we said earlier, wishing? Oh, I draw a line. Follow my line. Oh, Doji, you already turned around. Oh, here we go. Are you going to do it again? So we learned earlier that it touches the line until it doesn't. By 3. Yeah, I'll take 3. I'm a glutton. Over here we got 5. This is 5, that's 3. You know what I haven't been doing a good job of? Watching the time on these, because last night I was going through and just like, I'd just pick a random day and I'd look at the candle, like I'd have it like this. That's what I was doing yesterday. I'd have it like this. And I'd be like, okay, what do I do here? And I'd be like, well, falls right here. I'll just say short 50. Or sorry, short 10. Or something. And then I go like this. Just open up the next candle. And it's like, okay, what am I doing now? It's like, well, I'm waiting. Oh, I shorted 10, got down to 1. Okay, yep, mark that. I would have won. Then it's like, what am I doing now? I'm going long at 15 even. Okay, so I got mashed at 15. And I'm waiting for 15.10. Oh, I lost that one. And I tried to open 1 candle. If I open 2, then I leave it open. Alright, what am I doing now? Okay, and that's what I was doing last night. So, the point is when I was doing that, it's like, okay, this candle's full. If I just watched it fill and this clock hit 0, sometimes I would just have to hit the button sometimes, or have what I'm doing.
Order filled.
Order filled like
Order filled.
Oh, I bought something. Oh shit. Oh, I bought our magic line. I'm gonna pull this down a little bit below those. Come on. Did I just cancel that? I fucking did. I don't know how to reset this. Like, I don't know how to get off a bet without a stop loss. It's the moral of the story. Whatever I do, I pick the wrong one. So, where I need to sit on this, and I need to hit that if I see it down to there. Well, let's pull this down a little bit, because I hate when I do that. So I'm long, green. So if I hit sell red down here, because that's what I need to do to get off my green, well, it's just going to sell it there. And if I hit buy green down here, well, what the fuck am I buying green for? That's just adding. How do you get off a bet? I don't get it. This bugs me. I hate when I cancel that. How much are we waiting for? I don't feel comfortable right now without that stop loss in place. Let's just get this down to the tops of those. Yeah. Yeah, no, this is too aggravating. I hate when I do that. It's just trying to move it down to below here. Yeah, here it goes. Flying without a net. If it hits that and blasts through, I'm going to be pretty damn annoyed. I'm turning off this computer. I'm going home. Taking my net and going home. Get up over there. 12 seconds left. Or sorry, I don't know. I can't see with these damn glares still. 6, 5, 3, 2, 1. Turn green. Get moving. Actually, I kind of like this bet right now. If I do this. Now I'm going to draw it through here, but let's just... Alright, I'll put it there. There, watch. So take these two out because I went through the candles. And then here's a whole pile of pierces, no candles through it. Yeah, I kind of like that one. And I want to move this up, but I don't have a stop loss. I would like to pull, you know, if I see this like up to here, like right now, I want to move this up to here, and I want to move this one up, and I want to. I almost want to cash this out now without that stop loss, but cashing in $40, paying $5 in fees, was it even worth it? I'm only trying to get 60 for Christ's sakes. Tempted to move that up. We'll just take it.
Order filled.
Alright, $60. Whatever. 3, we're like $1.50 a point. 60. Oh, 55. 60, 20. That would have been 30 more bucks, so that was our fully right around there, remember, and I pulled it down. Well, it is what it is. Do you want to short up here? I don't see why not. Probably should have done that beforehand. So when I was talking about revealing the candles and guessing what I'm doing, this is one of the things I was thinking about too. It's like, well, because I saw that, if I didn't get it in time, I'd have to wait for the next candle to get to what I wanted. So I could have been proactive on that one after I lost that, thinking that's where it was going to go anyways. Because we got lines here.
Order filled.
We drew lines, remember? Oh, for fuck's sakes. I don't have my stop loss on this fucking chart. Remember we turned it off and started over? Yeah, no stop loss up again. Oh my god, this is getting really annoying. So now I just got to exit because I don't know how to push through. I'm just, whatever I do, I will bet the wrong side and I will not win my bet. So once I see like 50, 60 bucks, I'm hitting the button. Actually, you know what? I'll hit the button in and around 50, which is 60 bucks. Jesus Christ. Amateur mistakes still. Well, I'm on day 4, so I can still make amateur mistakes. Called it. And if it goes up to, I don't even know what it's got to go up to before I hit cancel. Up here, 63. Yeah, like 20. I'm out at 20 on this one. We can ride it to, yeah, 50. 60 bucks. That's all it's worth. We're on 3 contracts, so. And the one that's annoying is sometimes when you hit this button, like if I hit it right now, well, maybe I would have got 36. But there's times where you would have hit it and say, it goes up like that. And it's like, oh, I hit it at 36, now you only got 18. That's the crappy thing about having this deal with this dang button. But I like this bet. We got this little 5-minute chunk, set in the line. Call this set in the line. And then this test, that test, some time in between. Yeah, I like this one. I like it because of the time in between too. And my time's shorter than your time. If you're on 15-minute clocks, this is two sticks. If you're on half-an-hour clocks, this is 1 stick, and if you're on hour clocks, this is half a stick. So It just depends on what sticks you're going off. Oh, here, look, this is another, like, this is going to be telling to me. Like, this is 4 here, 1 touch, 4 here, and it's getting repelled again. If it does get repelled again, I'll hold till 47. Oh wait, this line doesn't mean shit. Until we do that. Now it's got a little more meaning to me. Yeah, we're riding this to 47, 45. Yeah, 47 would be nice. So once we see this, we're going to hit that button and hope we get it right. Come on. I'm going to hit that accordion. Here we go. Yeah. One more push. One more push. One more push. Push down to here. Oh, was that close to 75? I was looking here for some reason. Oh, no. 47 here, 75. Good enough.
Order filled.
What do we got? 70. Ow! No. No, I didn't say anything about, this is the one I should have moved down. But I didn't have stop losses to do that with, so I couldn't even think about it. Damn, look at that, eh? That's a big push. 48, 8 points, 32 ticks. That's like $50. That would have been an extra 50. So here's some more lines. No bodies piercing, just wicks. I don't know. Draw this one over. What's this range? Oh, that's only a 15-point range. Didn't we say up here things don't trade in a 15-point range and get all mad about expecting it? It's good to remember your thoughts because it's really easy to trick yourself into thinking that you're awesome in any type of gambling, especially this kind though. Bye. I don't know, I think that was left over. I don't know what happened there. Felt like it said 93 or something. Maybe it was when I moved this. Damn it. Maybe it said 43, maybe I wasn't seeing it right. But I tried to get that, we missed it. So maybe, I don't know. I kind of used this line for this trade, and now I'm like, well, this line's kind of useless now. Let's just kind of get you out of the way here. We'll put you on even with that. We tried to get on here because we got this, right? And now, what's our range? Closer to 30. And the 30-point range, like we said, makes more sense than a 15-point range. This is kind of nice. Look at here. Win 75. Win 75. Win 20. Check the tape on that. That feels wrong. Win 70. Win going long. Win going short. Win going long. Win going long. Win going short. 2 and 2 on shorts and longs. That's a nice little weird grind. Oh. We're grinding $16. You shorten this line? Damn fucking right we are. Get it? What? Good thing we missed it. Maybe this is where green breaks out. Pretty sure I hit sell there. Get this off too. Cancel everything. Cancel it all! Seven, 6, 5, 4. I kind of, short.
Order filled.
Right down there. Yeah, that's perfect. We put these on 5s and we left this on 3. 3, 3, 5, 3. What's this, 75? 52. Oh, because I moved this from 50 and this on 5. This is 75, but we're on 3. So that's all it is. That's all it is. What's our loss? 45. So I win a little more than we lose. Should I change? Let's change this to 4. We'll keep this one at 5. Yeah, we'll just draw some lines and make them meaningful or meaningless, depending on your stance. Most likely meaningless, but fun. Draw a line from here to here. Look at this. Highly statistically significant. You got 4 candles going right through there. This one's gonna matter. Obviously joking. Get out of here, line. Get out of here, line. Nobody wants you. It's 1 o'clock, eh? I'm probably going to shut this down soon, have a little nap, and then go to work. For 3-4 hours, that'd be enough for me today. Hopefully that's the last work day of the week for me. We can focus on this. Oh yeah, what are we at again? Something insignificant. 19 bucks. Grinding. We're grinding hard today, folks. I don't know if anybody's watching this, but we came late to the party. We missed opening bell. And we grinded. We kept the losses to a minimum. That's good. We didn't push it on a day that just didn't feel like a day to push it on. This one might go against this. But for 45 bucks, like, we're not getting hurt. We're not hurting our P&L for the week. That's for
Stop filled.
All right. So we push another trade or two. So like this, now this feels like, okay, maybe I can get up to here now. Because there's no resistance anymore. This is all just air. Okay, last trade.
Order filled.
Let's get up to here. Now we're on 5s. This is like you're getting up from the blackjack table, you're walking away, you got a couple chips on you, you're like, oh, I might as well just piss these away. Well, I'm not putting all my chips down, I'm only putting a couple down. Lose this, we leave. Win this, we'll hang out. And that's easier to do too. Now if this was, I know it's not a good strategy, but it's easy to take profits down here if you see, if you have more contracts, maybe you did one full one, this says 175, this is 100, it's easy to get up to that far. This is 5 micros, so these are 50-cent ticks here, and I got 5, so we're $2.50 a tick. Each one of these is known as a tick. And I believe 1 point would be 70 to 71. And then there's 4 ticks in a point. So we're playing $10 a point, $2.50 a tick. My spidey sense is tingling. But if this gets through here, it's going to get through here. And it's going to go to... Alright, this is a little annoying over here. I'm trying to slide this up to the top of this peak. Right there. Now what's that worth? 185. Okay. Now where are we sitting now? Even. Alright, this gets up to here-ish. So that was our full bet. 87.50. Yeah, we're riding this out, and if this gets up here, this is something I want to work on. This is something I need to get proficient at. This is something I need to get good at. Extending winning trades, winning the maximum, and not settling for, oh, I could win 60, just give me 60, and then starting over and trying to like find a new good trade. Trading is hard. Alright, so we've been up. It's fighting. If it's coming down here, it's going through the floor anyways. I think that's a decent. That's a decent. Move it up to there. That's below these peaks. So if it gets below, it might as well just not touch it. It might as well just keep on going. So, oh, but that's kind of the top there. Maybe where I had it was good. Yeah, hopefully we don't have to plan for that though. Here we go. Here we go. You get fucking moving. Oh, I don't. Okay. So we are not in the here yet. And we're not in there yet. So we're outside of the range. I don't know how many. I never looked at how many is this. It's hard. Call it 72. 72. 72 to like 63. It's like 11 times 4. So maybe there's like, I don't know, 40 or 50 of these in here. Oh, there we go. Now we're moving. Now we're moving. Now we're at even. Well, that seems reasonable, right? We don't want to be even, but taking an even trade, that keeps us alive for the next one too. Or we're not getting too far. What was the peak we were at? Sometimes I figure too, like getting up here could take fucking 10 minutes. It could take 20 minutes. Maybe not 20, but 5 or 10. This is, look how long it took to break out of here. And then what, it's just going to keep on going? Well, maybe. If that was our 60, yeah, that's not unreasonable. If this was our resistance line here, it was kind of, it was repelling it here, and it finally broke through. Like going up 60 to 83, 84, 24 points, that shouldn't be that hard. Get moving, let's go. I want my fucking money. And I guess we can risk losing something. Just the bottom of those, just in case the bottom falls out here. 35 bucks. And that's below these ones, so yeah, I like that. Then if we lose 35, we're done. Doesn't even have to be a full loss, it's just a loss. Time check. Getting on 1. Let's see what this is at by 1 o'clock. It's kind of grindy. Maybe everyone's on lunch and the 1 o'clock is big. Oh, hey, let's take this up to this line over here. We think some dude, some computer somewhere might have put it there. Where's all these big, like, what happened to the big sticks? So that's our fully. And just for the record, now here's another strategy I've been thinking about too. So let's just say I took that right now. Right now, take it. You're done. Well, then go back and buy down here on the dip. Now you banked your fully. And now you're restarting, say down here at 70. You sold at 74. Now you got a 4-point leeway again. You pull this down here. Keep yourself safe. Just another thing I've been thinking about. There's just so many ways to attack this problem, right? There we go. There's a little stick. I don't really care about this $40 for good circuits there. What I do care about is this. So maybe. No, we got a good top there. That was a huge top. I don't know, trading 5 contracts. Now, I don't know if you could have bought 70 yet. You know, saying sell that at 74. Now, I don't think it might not have dipped to 70 yet, and you'd be like, why did I sell it? And you'd be all angry. So maybe you don't sell it. Maybe now's the point. Be like, hey, look it, it's peaked out. Sell it here. Buy it back down here. You want to know what? One more push, and we're going to do that. One more push up into there. Oh, how about right under that 85 contracts? Where is? Oh shit, we're right in there. We're right there already? Yeah, that's not great.
Order filled.
Boom! 147 on 50-cent contracts, and it went up to where we would have thought, but realistically, what was that, $30 more maybe? 20? It was 175, and we got 147, so we did good. Now what? Well, now I'm tempted to short, to be honest. But why get in the way of a buzzsaw? Oh man, you want to know what I want? I want $100 more. We're up 71. I want $101. So what's more important, winning 90 or breaking even and losing 200? Winning 90, walking away, having 4 winning days in a row, even though small, that's kind of enticing. It is 1 o'clock. So I was right when I said short. Even if I would have shorted there. 78. So this is like less than 9 points, right? This is 875 for $75. No, 87.50. So if we would have got it like up there, I don't know if we would have or not, but that would have matched like down here easily. And if we would have got it even here, 78, that would have been close. Then it still might push it. Now, man, it's part of me thinks I just like, here, look. Yeah, we got a new range. Peak of that, come down to here, 60. 85, 25-point range. Nice little peak up. Nice little boom, boom, boom. I'll be down here by here. Man, we should have had that, eh? We wouldn't have moved it down. I would have been weak on that one. Wow. You want to try and get in front of this? I do. I do. For less? I do. Where? Here. What number is that? 59.
Order filled.
So What's this one now? Oh, because we're on 3s. It's only 52.
Order filled.
$52 more dollars, and we're fucking at 2,000 even. Man, why'd I chicken out on that? Whoa! Whoa! We're forcing it.
Order filled.
There's a bottom down there somewhere. Ah, we forced it.
Stop filled.
We're chasing now.
Order filled.
Oh, that was terrible. What are we doing? Why are we just pushing buttons? We got away from this. This is what I was doing when I was practice trading. Just like, alright, it's going down. Just push a button. Oh, it's going up. Push a button. That was just pushing buttons. When I get
Order
rewarded,
filled.
we did get rewarded, but that wasn't a good bet. That was just a pushing buttons bet. Now this one actually...
Order filled.
Because we got this line here. And what? It doesn't have to... Like, that's a huge fucking line. Fuck off. Get out of here. Look at this stick. You don't have to make that big one again. You can come back down to here. Hell, you can come back down to there. What's that? $60. Because we chickened out. We went to 3s. I don't know why we went to 3s. Because it was so volatile. We went to 3s. That's why. What are we at? We need $50. We need $50 minus fees. Oh, I don't even need 50. Look. Come on. Get there. That's going to put me over 2. No! Oh, we were right there. And we moved. Did we move it? I forget. What's 52 something is our thing. 38. Yeah, maybe. We're probably gonna have 52. I might have, like, I probably moved that like just 5 points to get $4, and it might have cost me being right where I wanted to be. Yeah, it's. Oh, there goes the bottom. Feels like such a big range. This just looks like so big right now. $38. That's our 52 number. Yeah, so it would have been really close. We might have got it. Come on. If we win this, I'm out. I'm up to 2,000 even. 4 days in. $500 a day average. And even if we lose, I'll probably push one more, I guess. Like, what's more important? Winning 200 or not losing? Winning's nice. So this happened so fast. Like, this is like, you know, this is 1 minute. Down 75 to down 35. Back up. Down another, you know, from here. No, it's blocking me. 55. Another, down another 25. Makes it back up. Now what? Well, now probably, I don't know, just kind of like, this is either going to go down to here or here. I don't know, I don't know. This is no man's land right now. It's fighting. It wants to take me out. Probably a decent spot that I'm in there. Oh, I think that red stick might come out. We just can't see it from my things blocking it. So maybe not the best entry. Yeah, I'm not buying in the middle of this. Maybe when big things like this happen, it's best to look at the tops of those candles instead of the middle, trying to catch something. I don't feel good about this one. We're up 115. Here, if we lose this, we're up $50. Oh, can you come down? Somewhat just inside of that tip. Just the tip, please. Yes, ma'am. Like, how does this happen out of nowhere? Were there any signals that showed this was going to happen? Like, how do you figure this out? How do you catch one of these? 2 minutes, out of the blue.
Stop filled.
Fuck you. One more. On 3 again.
Order filled.
At least we're at the top here. And when these happen so fast, is it easier for it just to get back to where it was? Like this has got this. Retailers don't do this, right? This is like institutional money coming in, wiping everybody out, starting over, and everybody gets all screwed up like me. And now we are up $10. Well, we'll call that a tie. That's good enough for me today. So 15 and 17, including fees and being even. That doesn't feel terrible. Average win 68, average loss 51. That's good. Small time, smaller monies, we're good. A lot of fees there. Yeah, 32 trades. Most are up, kind of small. Most we are down. Pretty similar to the most we are up. Oh, sorry, that's the most we are down. 280. This 147 now. Oh, that's our biggest win. Sorry. Yeah, the most we were up was 119, and the most we were down was 280. Started off a bunch of losses in a row. Right, so these are the connected ones, right? Watch. 10, 26, 27, 31, 10, 26, 27, 15. So that's one contract. So that's, I should be 15 and 16 now. And then, what's this? 20. Yeah, so this is 3 wins, but that was just 3 contracts that got filled 3 separate times. So this should be 1 win, not 3. So now I'm 13 and 16, and then it's usually the bars that are the same size right next to each other. So maybe my record is closer to 13 and 16, but $10 grinding. Not feeling it. Yeah, see? I said when it goes down fast like this, maybe it's easier for it to go up. Because they just cleared it out. They're like, yeah, move out of the way. Steamroller coming in. Okay, everyone else wants to play again. Here we go. Everyone back up. But people I imagine retailers, like just average guys, that you get confused. You don't know what to do in there. I'm gonna might do some analysis on that. All right, well, good enough for me. Call it even. We are 4 days in. Day 5 tomorrow. On our way to $5,000 before I lose $3,000. I don't know if anybody's watched this, but if you did, thanks for watching and happy trading.